Hey people, welcome back to the channel. This video is basically a room tour video. Although I'm not interested in making this video because my room is little small and I don't think it is worth it to make a room tour video. Like if I just do like this, my room is finished. Okay, but because you guys asked me to make a room tour video, that's why I'm making this video. So before that, if you're new to this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Sanjay and I'm a KGSP scholar who came to Korea like in 2017 KGSP batch, and then I studied Korean language course for 1 year, and then I studied like masters for 2 years, and just about like 3 weeks ago I finished my masters and I joined PhD on fellowship. Okay, on my channel I share videos regarding the KGSP scholarship, like the Korean government scholarship program, how you can apply for it, what are different requirements, and I try to help people to make this application process little smooth for them. So you can go to my video section and check out the video, especially for the KGSP scholarship. If you are new to this channel and if you are searching for like how to study inside South Korea, or what are different options if you want to study inside South Korea, your undergraduation, graduation, or masters, PhD, whatever you want to study. In addition to that, I make some of the vlogs whenever I go out inside South Korea. I try to make some vlogs so that I can give you insight how is life here, how an Indian is living inside South Korea. And in addition to that, I try to make some poetry videos. I'm a writer also. I try to write some poetries and share with you guys, although I don't get those many views on those videos, okay? But still, I didn't lose hope. I will make videos again. I will make the poetry videos. I don't care if you like it or not. You have to like it, okay? So first of all, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, go to my videos and watch them, and let me know if you want me to change something, or if you have anything interesting topic that you want me to make a video about, you can recommend me that also. Okay, so for the first year of my language course, I stayed inside the dormitory. I had to stay inside the dormitory, and then after that, when I came here to Songnam, I started living outside. I changed like 4 rooms till now because I was in masters and I was getting a little bit lesser money than the PhD, so I was living in the basement for all the rooms I had during my master's course. But now I have more money so I changed my room to the first floor. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So I changed my room to the first floor. Although the room is small, but it is more expensive than the basement rooms. That's how you can find rooms inside South Korea. Okay, they are pretty expensive, I would say. But still, that's your preference. If you want to stay inside the dormitory, you can stay there also. But if I talk about my university, especially Gachon University, I think dormitory is more expensive, and rooms are more convenience outside. Like the dormitory rooms are not that convenient, I feel, because there are either 2, 3, or 4 people are living together. Like me personally, I like to stay alone. So that's how it depends on you, what you want, right? How you want to live. Okay, so depending on the different area and your rent you can afford, right? The money you can afford to give as a rent, monthly rent, so you can have different rooms. So this room, although it is small, it is expensive. I'm telling you again, okay? Don't think that I have the cheapest room or something like that. It is expensive. Okay, so that's how you can get a room nearby my university. There are 2 areas. One is Taepyeong, one is Bukchong. Taepyeong is pretty like countryside area. Bukchong is a little posh area where I'm living and where other professors of the university or other people live, like little rich people live. So yeah, the rooms here are expensive, and although they are not that fancy as you can find in the other places like in Gangnam or nearby SNU or inside Seoul somewhere. But yeah, that's how it is. So I will start from the beginning. I will go outside. I will show you from the entrance that from the road that goes to my university, and then I will show you the room. Although this video is gonna be small, so I can't help it. You guys asked me, that's why I'm making it. Okay, so this is a road basically that goes to my university. I should speak slow because it is like 11:30 in the night, and that's my room on the first floor. On the first floor, I'm pretty proud now. Okay, so that's the kitchen. You can see over there. This is looking clean because I just cleaned
right now before making the video, and you know what is it, right? I don't think I need to explain. This is wardrobe and shoe rack, and let's go here. So this is a table where I make videos for you guys, and this is bed where I sleep, obviously, and this is my PC where I watch shitty movies, as you can see in my background. Like last time someone asked me, it was Hera Fairy in the background, and okay, and if you come here, that's the bathroom, and that's how it looks like. I cleaned it, so that's why it is clean right now. Before making the video, I cleaned everything. Okay, so that's all about the room. I don't know if you like it, but that's how it is. I can't help it.
Okay, so I know this video was not that big, and I don't think if you find it interesting or not. So yeah, that's how it is. I can't help it. You guys asked me, that's why I made this video. Okay, so the thing is, I just wanted to share with you my personal life, what I'm doing here, or how a student lives here, or an Indian who is living inside South Korea, how he survives here. So my channel's main theme is that explains how an Indian is living inside South Korea. That's why its name is Indian in Korea. So yeah, that's all about this video. So if you want to know more about me, you can go to my Instagram profile and check it out there. These days you can see my profile is getting rich with the number of different posts and different locations, because you know, for the first year of language course I was stuck with the language, for the next 2 years I was stuck with the project and the masters, and now I have too much time for at least 2 more months. I think, I don't know, maybe 1 more month, but I have time. So I have planned to travel a lot. You can go to my profile, you can check it, the different places that I visited recently that I'd never been to when I was living here for the 3 years. I didn't get the time, but these days I'm exploring a lot. We are having parties, I'm going with my friends. I have a lot of friends here, whether it's Indians or foreigner friends. Sooner or later I will start having the interviews with the foreigner people who are also KGSP scholars, how they came here and how you can follow them, and they will be from the different streams, different fields, different backgrounds. So I'm gonna interview them soon. So if you want to watch all those videos, and if you like my videos, please like them, hit the like button, share with your friends, comment on them, and let me know what I'm doing wrong and how I can improve. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. And last thing, so I asked you guys that I want 3,000 subscribers before August, but I don't think it is possible, because it's 2,800 nearby, like 2,700 something. I just saw it today. It is 2,770 or 80, I don't remember exactly, but yeah, but it's okay, we can do it like this. We have 1 month of August and I need more subscribers. Okay, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, it will reach to you. So whenever I upload. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I know it was boring, but I can't help it, you guys asked. Okay, see you again in the next video.